Hi guys, ngayon gagawa tayo ng side dish. Ayan, ang kailangan natin is 100 grams na radish. Ikat natin siya ng strip, thin pieces. Ayan, and ang ating carrots is 30 grams. Ikat din natin siya ng strips. Pag gusto niyo ng madami-daming side dish guys, is i-double lang ninyo yung ating ingredients. Ayan, ikat lang natin siya ng pinaka thin strips and ibabad natin siya ng 1 teaspoon na salt. First, wash our hands before holding the foods. After 15 minutes, drain natin siya, pigayin natin siya ng mabuti para matanggal ang bitterness. Ayan, pigayin lang natin and then put our ingredients: 1 tablespoon na honey and 2 tablespoon na white vinegar and 1 tablespoon na sugar. Yan lang siya guys, and 1 tablespoon na sesame seed.